Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to CIST 1001 Computer Concepts. I wanted to take a short moment to introduce you to some of the features of the class and to explain what we're going to use the Cisco Network Academy website for. For the most part, all of the information you need for the class will be under the Lessons tab. You'll notice under the Lessons tab we have the course syllabus, and under course syllabus you'll also find my contact information. You've also got course information, which will explain how to access your student email and some other college policies. I've got some getting started assignments for you where you'll give me good contact information so I can place a phone call to you if I need to reach you during the semester. You've got your computer personal history assignment and some information about logging into Cisco's Network Academy site. All of you should have gotten an email in your student email account about how to log into the Cisco website. That should have come out this morning. Alright? Once you've gotten through all that, then you start with the chapter work. And the only thing showing up right now is Chapter 1. And in Chapter 1, we're going to do Intro to Personal Computers, 2 worksheets, and then we'll have a test in about a week from now. Alright? When you click on Chapter 1, it explains you need to log on to the Cisco Network Academy site using the information that was emailed to you. Alright? When you click on that, you'll have to log in with the information that was emailed to you or the login you created this morning. And that's going to be, or mine is going to be, OTC. Log in. Once you log in with your username and password, right here where it says Learn, there should be a blue or purple link for CIST 1001. You'll click on that, and then where it says View Official Curriculum, you'll click IT Essentials. Under IT Essentials, those are all the 16 chapters that we'll cover. And when you click on Chapter 1, it will bring you right up into Chapter 1. And this is the exact same information that's in the printed textbook. So unless you want to purchase the printed textbook, there's no reason to. You'll scroll through the entire chapter, clicking Next, reading every page and all the information. You'll come to a couple of worksheets. You can either click on those here. If not, I've got them already loaded into Angel for you. And then if you don't understand a word, there's always a glossary that you can click on and look it up. And once you've read the entire curriculum and gotten to the summary page, then you can click on the quiz link. And on the quiz link, you can take a practice exam to see how well you're doing with the actual course material before you take the real test. And I'm just Christmas treeing this one here really quick to get through it. You go all the way through, and you can do grade quiz, and it will show you the ones you got right or wrong, so you can go back and check those out. One thing to keep in mind too is that some of the graphics in the curriculum have more than one screen to them, so you can mouse over them and you can see different screens and more information by clicking on them. So be sure you try and interact with the graphics. Once you've read the entire curriculum, I encourage you to close out of it, take a break, and come back and reread it. This material is really tough if you're new to computers, and the more you read it and work with it, the more you're going to understand it. Once you're ready to work on the worksheets, you'll just come back to Lessons, Chapter Work, Chapter 1. Oops, I clicked on the wrong link. Chapter 1. And you have the 2 worksheets there. They will come up, if you click on them here, as PDF documents. And you just need to read them and then type your answers into a Word document. Once you're ready to submit it, you'll put My Work or whatever other title you want to put. You don't have to include a message, that's optional. And you'll just click Attachments. You'll browse. You'll find the file you want to look up or to include. I'm just going to include one here as an example, like my faculty class schedule, just as an example. You'll click Upload File, then Finished, and you have to click Submit. Alright? Once you click Submit, it will say Submission Successful, and you'll know that I've gotten your work that way. All right. Later, once in about a week, we'll have the test for Chapter 1. And that will also be in the Cisco Network Academy website. Again, to get into that, you'll just click here. You'll click on cisco.netacad.net. You'll log in with the information that was emailed to you. And when we're ready to take our first test, we'll click on CIST 1001. And where it says assessments and grades, you'll click right there to be able to view your first test. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. You can always find my contact information under the Course Syllabus tab under Instructor Contact Info. I look forward to working with you, and have a great semester.